2 divide itself is 1. 2 divide 4 equals 2. Okay, so we have 70 divided by 5 times 2. Okay, and 5 times 2 equals 10. So we have 70 divided by 10, and that is equal to 7. But this is totally wrong, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, okay, let's write it P-E, M and D, A, S, okay, where P is parentheses, E is exponent, M and D is multiplication and division, A and S are addition and subtraction, okay? And remember that this multiplication and division are of the same priority. Irrespective of their position, you have to solve from the left to the right, okay? So from here, we are going to, because we are dividing this 70 by a fraction, we are going to introduce the rule that is called KCF rule. K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. So it simply means that we are going to keep 70, change this division to this change, which is C, division to multiplication, and flip this. So we are going to have 2 divided by 5 times 4, okay? Now 5 here can divide 70, and it will give us 11 times 2 times 4, okay? So from here, 14 times 2 will give us 28 times 4, okay? Now 28 times 4 will give us 112 as the right answer. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please subscribe. Bye.